So this Connect 4 game is surprisingly difficult to beat. Take a look, and then I'm going to show you how you can make it. That Connect 4 game was taken from this book, Make Python Talk. And this was sent to me by No Starch Press. I'm a big fan of the No Starch Press books, they're really good. And I've been working through this book for the last few months in my spare time, and I really like it. It is aimed at beginners, and the whole point about it is that it'll show you how to build apps with voice control. And that's fun, and it's a nice gimmick. But what I really like about the book is the way that it teaches Python. So for example, the Connect 4 game that I showed you at the start of this video, there is voice control for that. But it's a little bit unreliable, which is why I didn't use it in the video. But what I like more than the voice control part of the book is just the apps that it teaches you and the way that it teaches you them. So for example, first of all, it takes you through the setup really well, because that can be really difficult for a beginner, getting all of the dependencies set up properly. This book takes you through that very well. I think most beginners would be able to make it through that. The way that it teaches you the games as well, because creating games is a really good way to improve your understanding of a language and logic and the way things need to flow in order to work. And there's tic-tac-toe in here and Connect 4. And then you go through ways of making computer players, and it looks at various different ways of getting the computer to play the games and making the computer player almost unbeatable. And it looks at machine learning as well. And there are other apps in there too that I think make really nice projects. So if you like that Connect 4 app and you want to have a go at it, take a look at this book. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And the computer AI that I was playing against, it's good, but it's not unbeatable.